In this video, I'll show you how to contact Peacock customer support. Step 1 is to go ahead and visit the Peacock Help Center. Go to the Peacock Help Center website, then use the search bar to look for frequently asked questions or articles related to your issue. Step 2, contact via live chat. On the Help Center page, click Chat with us to start a live chat with a support agent. Follow the prompts to provide information about your issue. Step 3, reach out via phone. You can also reach out Peacock customer support by phone. Find the contact number for your region in the Help Center. Then go ahead and call and follow the prompts for assistance. We have also step 4, that is to use the Peacock support email. If you prefer email support, visit the Help Center and click on Email Us. Provide detailed information about your issue for faster assistance. Step 5 is to check for social media support. You can also reach out to Peacock via their official social media accounts on Twitter and Facebook, so send them a direct message explaining your issue, and you can also even tag them in one of your posts. This works great on Twitter. So that's how you contact Peacock support. I hope this video was helpful. I thank you for watching, and go ahead and subscribe, and if you have any more questions you can leave them in the comments down below. Thanks.